Okay, it's gonna be a super fast video. I thought it was kind of cool. So I came across this video, really cool video. It's about the uses of emoticons on website names. It's really cool. I highly recommend you guys watch this. But he had a website that he put on it called Thank Mr. Skeletal. So if you go to it and you put it here, you get this where you can send your thanks to Mr. Skeletal. And I was like, okay, well, how is this number being updated live from everybody who clicks this button down here? And if you know anything about the internet, you know, or you at least heard of GET requests and POST requests and all the different kinds of requests. And so I went to the inspector network console. I see that we're getting GET requests, which implies that I should be able to send a POST request. And there it is. This is from me, right? You can see it says thank. And so, like any normal person, I went ahead and I copied it as a curl Windows, and I opened it up in VS Code. And I could have done this in JavaScript within the using something like Tamper Monkey or something like that, but that's boring. That's cringe. I want to do this. I like to go raw dog the computing experience. I don't know. So I did it in Python. My first iteration didn't have asynchronous. It just kind of did one at a time, which was slow and bad and dumb and boring, and you couldn't tell when I turned this thing on. So I used async. Don't ignore this, and that's just for dramatic effect at the end. We have our headers up here, which is just whatever I copied from up there. And then we have our send request function, which does this. It mostly just prints stuff. And 418 means it's claiming to be a teapot, which I thought was pretty funny. And then we have what actually sends requests concurrently, just is a while true loop. I did put a sleep function here, but it didn't appear to affect anything if I took it out, so I decided to take it out. And then we have this, which cooks up all the requests, and then finally we run the function. So it's pretty cool. If I run it, I want you to watch what's going on here. So we'll close this out, we don't need it, and then we'll put VS Code in the corner, this guy here. So this increases at, you know, kind of a slow rate, right? It's always updating somehow, but this only goes up like once every 10 seconds or so. So if I click ran, and let's say I sent 1,000 current requests, I want you to watch the thousands place, right? Let's let it get up to that. Yada yada yada. Okay, ready? Enter. Watch this. 2, 1, boom. Now watch 1,000 plays. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes up so much faster because I'm editing it, and you can see all the requests being sent. It just sends this. And if I was to stop it, you'd see all it does is send this. It sends the number of requests that it is. This should be a 1, I think. Where's the there? That should be a 1. Who cares? But it sends the number of requests that it just sent, and it sends that they all at the same time. Nope. Did it just crash? Nope. We're back. We're good. But yeah. So if you Control C. Oh, Control C. There we go. We'll do it one more time. Let's see if I can do 10,000. Alright, I've never tried this before. So this would be editing the 2, making that go much faster. I might get IP banned for this. VPN's on, we're good. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, interesting. I think we've reached the peak of what Python while true loops can do. If I wanted this to be faster, I would probably just have to do it in something like C. If you guys wanted to see that, I can do it. See that. Anyway, I just wanted to show that. That was pretty cool. Python's an interpreted language, so it can only go so fast. So it's probably as fast as it can go. But I thought it was pretty nifty. I'll put this up on GitHub. I don't program much in Python, so this is spaghetti code. And there's probably a lot that can be fixed with it, but it goes pretty fast enough for me at least, and you can see it whenever it turns on, which is pretty funny. So yeah, to be on GitHub, I'll put the link to it in the description. I'd recommend changing this to your browser, so you don't get Firefox or whatever banned. It probably wouldn't, but who knows. But yeah, that's all I wanted to do. I thought it was pretty nifty. See ya.